What are the biggest mistakes businesses make when using Facebook for marketing? The fact that they're not using Facebook ads to begin with. That's one. The next one is when they do it,
Mature.
they push the boost button, and that's like
That doesn't work.
It's gotten a lot better compared to when it first came out, but I still prefer actually using the Power Editor and creating ads, and instead of doing a boosted post, there's just two ways to do a boosted post: pressing the blue button, which is a waste of money in my opinion,
I'm only burning my half.
and doing page post engagement, which is what we do on the Power Editor. So that's a little bit more on the techie side where I need to do a screen share with you guys, but I'm sure there's a lot of tutorials on YouTube out there already. So just to give it a little bit more value, just when you post your content, I don't know, depending on how many you post a day, 2-3 times a day, the highest performing organic content, I already tell it is the one that you should be boosting. Don't boost content that is underperforming just because you want it to do well. Like your audience is telling you, is giving you feedback of the content that they like, bounce off that, and then considering that Facebook shows your content to only about 2% of your likes or your followers, take advantage of that, boost that post
Don't really boost that post.
like do the Power Editor way to current followers, and then to new people, which is and create a lookalike audience. But I'm getting a little bit more technical with the stuff, but a lot of it you can
really isn't that hard.
you can look it up on YouTube and Google, and you can learn that way.
I learned it in like 5 minutes.
Yeah, so it's not that hard.